There is Egusi Soup, and then there is the grassroots IGBOTIC Egusi Soup that Igbos prepare during traditional weddings. One of the original Ofe mix recipes. Have you heard about this soup before? Have you? Here are the ingredients you will need. Habanero pepper, seasoning cubes. I was told that Ogiribo is on her way to this meeting of ingredients. Late comer. Crayfish. I'm going to use achi as thickener. Normally, cocoyam is used. Stockfish. Shaki, which is cow tripe. Egusi. Biterleaf as vegetable. Palm oil and beef. If you are using cocoyam, set it on the stove to boil. Clean and place the meats and stockfish in a pot. Add the seasoning cubes. Pour water to cover it and start cooking. I often get questions on what to do about washed bitter leaves. The first thing to do is to make sure you buy well-washed bitter leaves with no trace of bitterness. When it comes to bitter leaves, prevention is better than cure because you don't want to end up with a bitter soup. I have at least 2 videos of me buying washed bitter leaves in the market. And in those videos, you will see that I took my time to taste the bitter leaf before buying. But if yours is bitter, wash and squeeze it like this several times before adding it to what you're cooking. Change the water as often as you need to till all the bitterness is gone. I don't recommend pre-cooking bitter leaves because when you pre-cook and throw away the water, it makes the soup taste flat. But if all else fails, pre-cook it, then throw away the bitter water. Here, I'm preparing the achi for use. Just mix it with water. It should have a soft consistency when you're done, like this. If using cocoyam, it's done when it's soft to touch. Peel and pound in a mortar till smooth. I cooked the meat till almost done. I would say 2/3 done. I transferred it to a normal pot. From this point forward, it's just a matter of adding the ingredients into the pot. Easy peasy. Add the pepper, crayfish, ogiribo. It has finally arrived. Click the like button if you like this video. Add the egusi, bitter leaves, and palm oil. Cover the pot and continue cooking for about 7 minutes. Then add the thickener, in my case achi. If using cocoyam, make sure the lumps are tiny so that it will dissolve quickly. Cover and cook till the cocoyam dissolves. For achi, cook for about 5 minutes or till you see that the soup has noticeably thickened and has an overall yellow color. Add salt and it's ready. Serve with any swallow of your choice. I'm eating mine with semolina. Semo knows how to shame somebody, but making it is quite easy. Boil some water, then start pouring in the semolina flour like this while stirring at the same time. Once it thickens, you feel the resistance on the spatula. Stop adding and use all your manpower or woman power to mix it very well till there are no lumps. Pour a bit of water on the sides like this. Cover and leave it to steam very well, then mix again. Serve with the IGBOTIC Egusi Soup. If you like Biterleaf soup or Egusi soup or Biterleaf soup and Egusi soup combo, you enjoy this soup. Bye bye. See you soon.